We are currently at Johnson County Fairgrounds in Indiana, about 20 miles south of Indiana, or Indianapolis, in a small town called Franklin, Indiana. This is an overnight stay that we decided to stay here overnight on our way back from the Alliance National Rally, the National Alliance Rally up in Elkhart, Indiana. So we're on our way back from there, and we're just going to stay overnight here. Fairgrounds are quite easy to get into. They're usually cheap. We're paying $30 a night, and this is a nice one. It's, not very scenic. You're not going to get much scenic, but you do get full hookups, and that's the important thing for $30 a night. And it's an easy overnight stay for us. And so one tip though is, you might need to have longer power cords or sewer hose and water hose, because the hookups will usually be in the back part of the rig. Most fairgrounds are set up that way, so just keep that in mind. There's a little tip for you there. But yeah, let me give you a little look around here. As you can see, it's obviously not scenic, but we have a lot of grassy areas here that we can just walk around in. And fairgrounds, each fairground has something different. They'll have horses, or this one happens to have a little festival going on right now up near the front. But yeah, there's a small little, about 16 sites here probably. So yeah, we were on our way back from the Alliance rally, where we got had some fun, and we fixed some parts of our rig, including, there it is, paradigm. The P&A is back. For those that don't know, when we picked up this rig back in October, the P&A was missing on our paradigm on this side of the slide here, and they also did some other repairs with the slide and on the back end, where we had some issues with the back wall. They did a good job fixing the back wall, making sure we got it all secured, and they also put in some new sills on our side. So we're real happy. Subscribe to my channel, like the video please, and we'll see you again. Thank you.